This is a quick Intro to Java beginner tutorial. The simplest way to get started immediately is to use an online Java compiler. I personally recommend using the Programiz online compiler. The link is in the description if you'd like to follow along. So now that we have a place to write our code, let's begin our first Java program. You will notice that when you open up the online compiler, there's already lines of code pre-written. The top lines in the green are comments. To write comments in Java, you must use 2 forward slashes. These can be important to inform someone of what your code is doing. If you'd like to write multi-line comments, you can use a forward slash and an asterisk, like so. Now that we're moving on to the actual code, we see that it begins with the class main. Java programs start with classes. The main class is what the computer is looking for to begin running the code. The second line, public static main void, is a method. You can create your own methods later on in the program, but your main requires this method to run the program. Now that we have the default setup, we see the line system.out.println. This is not a required line. It is used to print output to the user's screen, followed by a new line. We know this because println stands for print line. Note that this line ends with a semicolon. Most lines of code in Java need to be punctuated with a semicolon unless they are ending in curly braces. Let's print our first output. Let's try printing "Hello World" onto the screen. We can simply do this by replacing the text within the quotation marks with "Hello World." I would like to point out that Java is case sensitive, so make sure that the S of system in system.out.println is capital. Now we can click Run to compile our code. And as we see when we click Run, the output will show up on the right side and we can see that Hello World has successfully been printed.